Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation has filed the above appeal aggrieved by the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court of Judicature, Jaipur bench, by which Regulation 4(3) of the Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation Compassionate Appointment Regulations 2010 has been declared as violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. The respondent's father, Muhammad Sahib, who was working as a helper in the appellant corporation, died in a motor accident. He was travelling in a bus of the appellant corporation which collided with another bus. A claim was made by the respondent before the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal (TONC) under Section 166 and of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988. An amount of rupees 135 lakhs was claimed, but the tribunal awarded a compensation of rupees 22 lakhs. The respondent made a representation to the chief manager of the appellant corporation seeking compassionate appointment. The request for compassionate appointment was rejected on the ground that the respondent was not entitled in light of Regulation 4(3) of the regulations. Dissatisfied with the rejection of the request for compassionate appointment, the respondent filed a writ petition in the High Court challenging the constitutionality of Regulation 4(3). The High Court allowed the writ petition by a judgment on the ground that Regulation 4(3) of the regulations is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. The High Court held that the object of compassionate appointment is to mitigate the hardship of the family members of the breadwinner, and for that reason compassionate appointment should be provided to the family in distress. According to Regulation 4(3) of the regulations, claim for both compassionate appointment and compensation under the Act cannot be made against the corporation in case of death of an employee while travelling in the vehicle of the appellant corporation. Regulation 4(3) was found to be discriminatory because compassionate appointment can be provided to an employee who dies in an accident while travelling in a vehicle not belonging to the corporation, though he had claimed compensation either from the owner of the vehicle or the insurance company under the Act. Before proceeding further, it is relevant to take note of Regulation 4(3) of the regulations, which allows computation on account of injury or death to the person while performing official duty. This is the case for that period. Stop.